So you're thinking about going solar in Massachusetts, huh? Since you're here, I can only assume you are. And that's a great thing because that's why we're here. We wanted to try and create this webinar for you so you could learn a little bit more about what solar entails in Massachusetts. And obviously, I'm sure a few of you want to know kind of what things will be covered in this webinar that we will show you. And that's a great question. So a couple of the different things here. Costs, financing, and insurance, obviously super important for you to know, in making your decision here. What does the maintenance look like for solar? How often, does the typical installer and provider have to help maintain the panels? The incentives offered through our great state of Massachusetts and the average kilowatt savings that you can see on your energy bill. We'll cover some of that. A lot of you might be wondering, what does this mean for my property value? Contrary to what most believe, we'll show you a few examples of why your property value may go up from solar actually. So leasing versus owning your panels, I know that's a very popular one. Most of the companies kind of offer different things in terms of that. It's always confusing, so we'll cover that. Information based on the installs, obviously time frames, how long it takes, when you can do it, best seasons, times of the year, all that stuff, and really anything else you need to know about solar. We're going to cover all this in the live webinar. We can answer all your questions live as well, so save them all up, write them all down, get ready, and kind of shoot them at us at that time, and we'll definitely be sure to answer them for you right there. So I'm sure some of you want to know, how can I sign up for this webinar? Super simple. I'm sure you see that little box right over there on the right. It says sign up here for the free webinar. You can just click right on that, and it's pretty straightforward from there. The webinars run very consistently throughout the day. There's multiple ones throughout the day, so if you miss one, you never got to be afraid of not being able to catch the next one. We run them very often. So yeah, just sign up there. All you have to put in is your name and your email, and your preferred time of visiting and learning more about solar and joining that webinar. So that's really it. It's as simple as that. And hopefully you learn a lot in this webinar, and we put it together for you here and want to try and address all the questions that you possibly have. So that's it. We will see you there. Thanks a lot.